In a dense and vibrant jungle lived a clever little rabbit named Rumi. He was small with soft white fur and sparkling eyes that twinkled with curiosity. Rumi was known throughout the jungle for his wit and quick thinking, which often helped him out of tricky situations. One sunny morning, Rumi hopped along the forest floor, his nose twitching with excitement as he explored the lush clearing. He stumbled upon a clearing where the animals of the jungle had gathered. The lion, the king of the jungle, had called for a meeting to discuss the food scarcity that had been troubling the jungle. Friends, roared Leo the lion, our food supply is dwindling, and we must find a way to ensure everyone gets their fair shares without causing conflict. The animals murmured in agreement, but no one had a solution. Rumi, always eager to help, raised his tiny paw. I have an idea, he said confidently. The animals turned to him, curious about what the small rabbit had to offer. We should all work together to create a communal garden, Rumi suggested. If each of us contributes in some way, we can grow enough food for everyone. The animals were skeptical but decided to give Rumi's idea a chance. Under his guidance, they began to work together. The elephants used their strong trunks to clear the land. The monkeys gathered seeds, the birds spread them across the soil, and the deer watered the plant with the help of nearby stream. As days turned into weeks, the garden began to flourish. The once barren patch of land was now filled with a variety of fruits, vegetables, and herbs. The animals were overjoyed, and their bellies were full once more. However, not all animals were pleased. The fox, known for his cunning ways, envied the little rabbit's success and wanted to claim the garden for himself. One night, he sneaked into the garden and began to dig up the plants, hoping to create chaos and take over. The next morning, the animals were devastated to see the destruction. Rumi, however, remained calm. I have an idea who did this, he said, eyeing the fox. But instead of accusing, let's fix the garden together and show that unity can overcome any challenge. The animals agreed, and together they restored the garden to its former glory. The fox, seeing how his plan has failed, felt ashamed. He approached Rumi and confessed, I am sorry for what I did. I was jealous of your idea and the respect you earned. Rumi smiled kindly. We all make mistakes, he said. What's important is that we learn from them and work together to make things right. From that day on, the fox joined the others in tending to the garden. The jungle thrived not just because of the food they grew, but because of the bond they shared. The animals learned that unity, cooperation, and the forgiveness were the keys to overcoming any obstacle. And so the clever little rabbit taught the jungle an invaluable lesson that even the smallest among them could make a big difference and that together they could achieve greatness.